Welcome everyone. Today I want to give you another update on what happened to my Subaru. So I got a 2004 Subaru Forester STI with a DOHC engine. It's roughly done 192,000 kilometers. So it was up for a timing belt or Cambelt change. So what I did was I took it to a company called Subaru, that's here in New Zealand. I did my research and it showed they had over 30 years experience and they done multiple projects as well, not just normal cars, racing cars as well. So I thought, okay, yeah, why not? They seem like specialist guys in Subis. So I took it to them, got the timing belt changed in Feb. Now this is May, so only 3 months ago. And what happened was, so everything is fine, done by professionals. I even took a long trip as well, over 1500 kilometers return trip. And last week, when I was just going to pick up my kid from school, only traveled about 3 kilometers. I heard kind of like a banging noise, like a bang. And then the car all of a sudden stopped. And when I started to start it up, it just wouldn't crank up again. So, and then eventually I managed to get it started a little bit, but then I heard like something ticking, or tapping noise, like ta 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 ta. And the car was actually had no power as well, it just starts and stops. And then that happened around 3 p.m. I had to call a friend and he was at work, so I had to wait till about 9 p.m. till he come home, and then got it towed to another mechanic. Next morning, I went and spoke to him and he tried to start the car as well, and then immediately he said, oh, your timing's off. And I just said, oh, can't be, because I just had my timing belt changed quite recently. Okay, so what we did was put it on the hoist and checked underneath, nothing was loose or broken. And then he said, yeah, why don't we just pull the cover out and have a look. And then he pulled the cover out, and funny enough, this is the outcome. So the seal from the front, that this lower end bearing, these two pieces was actually stuck in the belt, and the noise it was making was this. See? Listen to the play on this. And if you look closely enough, you can see the white gaps there. So that means all the ball bearings inside that has actually broken off. Imagine how I felt when I saw this. Absolutely gutted. And here's the receipt done by Subaru, and I checked the invoice. It says timing belt idlers 2, timing belt idlers, which is the small one, 2, thermostat 1, timing tensioner 1, and the timing belt itself. And the total I spent 1,043.54 New Zealand dollars, and done by Subaru. Now to get it fixed, I have to pay another $500 because the mechanic said it's not best to keep that belt, because it was actually, the teeth has jumped about 10 to 20 teeth on the pulleys. So he recommended replacing the belt as well. So that's the belt there, the old one. This is the Deco one. And then he said better to replace the other idler as well. That's the second one. So it cost me the Cambelt, 2 pulleys, and labor cost $4.96. So now I'm gonna do is, so this is how it looked. I took some photos. As you can see, this has been replaced, so that's new. Obviously that hasn't been replaced. That's the one, the lower bearing, the lower pulley. And again inside the engine, when I took the cover off, the seals that was stuck where the idler has broken off. And even they even put a sticker saying, "No, timing belt replaced at 192 kilometers by Subaru." But what a fucking idiots. They haven't done this properly. So there you go. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and talk to these guys. And let's see what they have to say. And I'm just going to ask for a full refund as well because of their dodgy work. And I'll keep you updated. Thanks for watching, guys.